Hey everybody, I'm here today with a very simple video on the easiest finger whistle position, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to whistle with your fingers, it's really easy to do. And I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it, basically by using the easiest position. Now, there are so many ways. There are quite a few ways, numerous ways to whistle with your fingers, okay? Different positions that you can use, different sort of methods that you can use. But I think the easiest one is the one that I use most commonly and most frequently, and it's also the one that I believe that I learned first. And I'll show you what it is, and I'll tell you why it's the easiest, okay? So here it is. Basically, you're going to get your tongue, you're going to stick it out, okay? Your tongue is sticking out like that. Oh, wow, I need to drink some water. Oh, man, I just finished drinking a lot of coffee. I haven't really had, I don't think, any water this morning yet, so I got to drink some water. But anyways, get your tongue and stick it out, okay? And then you're going to get your fingers like this, your thumb and your middle finger together, forming a little bit of a circle like that. And you're going to take them and you're going to fold your tongue back onto itself like this, okay? Like that. And then basically you're going to get your lips like this and clamp them down over your fingers about here, while sort of like while your fingers get just slightly in your mouth. So it's going to look like this. And then when you do that, all you have to do is really just blow and just kind of experiment by sort of just maybe, moving your fingers ever so slightly, making micro adjustments with your fingers and your tongue position and your lips. And eventually you're going to get that whistle sound. You just got to practice and you'll start getting it a little bit. And then then you'll just be able to whistle at like a really loud volume and in different tones and pitches and stuff like that. So it's going to look like exactly like this. Just like that. Wow, it's really loud in the van. Woo! My ears are... Okay, anyways. I'm awake now. All right. Anyways, that's how to do it. Now, the reason I think this is the easiest one to do is because you basically, it's super easy to get your fingers like this. I don't want to say you can't go wrong, but there are other positions where you can have more adjustments and you can make more errors. Whereas when you go like this, it's kind of really hard to make an error when I say literally put your fingers like that, okay? Also, it only uses one hand. So really easy to do. Once again, fewer errors to make because you're only using one hand. And it's just easy to fold your tongue onto itself. Like that. It's really easy. I think this method is the one that is prone to the fewest errors because there's so little variation that you can do with it. That I think it's more of a foolproof method for the most part. And that's it. Honestly, if you're trying to learn how to whistle with your fingers, that's what I believe to be is the best one to learn at, sort of the easiest one. And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say for this video tutorial other than I hope that you've enjoyed it. And with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.